Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Dogelon Mars. In my earlier video, I was showing you that the price out of Dogelon Mars has finally broken out a very massive resistance line. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. Now let's move to the live chart. And this was the resistance line. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several months, it was working as a resistance since after the month of April 2024. When we broke it down since then, it was breaking as a resistance. By the way, here for 1 or 2 weeks, it had been breaking as a support. And before that, for several months, it had been breaking as a resistance here as well. And before that, from the month of June 2022 up till the month of November 2023, it had been breaking as a very strong support zone. And now after this breakout, it is again flipped into a very nice support zone. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout, we had a very long spike, by the way, here and again dropped down, retested the previous resistance line and support line, and now the pricing is geared up. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again this recent breakout from this down channel and this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for STPT, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this trade setup I shared on 30th of December 2024 with the members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Dogelon Mars. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it had been moving inside this channel. After the breakout from this channel, it was moving inside this broadening rising wedge pattern. And after the breakout from this broadening rising wedge pattern, we had this sideways move, and then finally the price and pumped very well. And if I place this measurement tool, by the way, from here, when last time it was testing the support of the channel here up to this high, then you can see that so far it has pumped almost 431%. And now recently we have broken out this very long-term resistance zone that can now work as a very strong and long-term support zone. By the way, we have already hit the target for the breakout from this channel. And now if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from a bigger falling wedge pattern, let me to show you on the 7 days time frame chart here, you can see that we have already broken out this very huge falling wedge pattern. And by the way, we broke out the wedge here in the month of Feb 2024, but due to this channel, the price and could not continue this move to the upside. And now we have broken out the channel, and I'm expecting that sooner or later the pricing can hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. That long-term target will be here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $2276. Point double zero and zero. 5 times zero, $2276. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because then I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.